I'm Granny Bess, sitting on the porch drinking coffee. I want to promote homesteading for old folks. And my motto is, do what you can, make do with what you got, and have fun. And don't forget to take a rest. Okay, and also, when you pick up your garden hat from the front porch that you left outside, check underneath to see that the wasps didn't make a nest in there. Oh yes, they did. Yes. Fortunately, I saw it before I put the hat on my head. And always have a charming little dog. Come here, doggy. Isabella. Uh-oh. Going for the cat food, are you? Isabella. Come here. Come, Izzy. What's the matter? Izzy. You're just silly. Isabella. Oh well. She's got cute, you know. At least she's got cute. And ears. She's got ears. But she must have got this ignoring commands from the cats. She hangs out with too many cats. Yes, hello, Isabella. I'm sitting on the front porch talking with my dog. Isabella. Yes, she knows her name. That's about it. Come. No, she would not. She wouldn't do that. Sit. She can sit if she's already sitting. Okay. If I had a piece of food, she would dance. But that's about it. She does know that she's not supposed to get off the porch because if she gets off the porch, she goes and sits in the middle of the street. Izzy? Am I putting you down? You're still the cutest. Just the cutest. Come here. Come here, Izzy. Come here. See? Come here. Come, Izzy. Come here. Come here, Izzy. Izzy. Come. Come. Come, good dog. You hear me. You know what I'm saying, don't you? Yes, you do. Come. No way. Did you learn that from the cats? Izzy's favorite outdoor activity is stealing cat food off the porch. She must not be hungry. Well, I just fed her. But she's not stealing cat food, so she must not be hungry. Boy, there's some dog barking over there. You just wonder what that dog's barking about. Yeah. Oh, somebody on a skateboard went by. All very interesting, huh? As long as I'm out here talking to Izzy on the porch, we might as well. I don't know if you can see her, but there she is in the corner. That's Pip in the garden. Yes, it's okay for you to dig there as long as you don't dig up my plants. And I bought some Gerber daisies and where are they? Oh, there's some. My petunias are just blooming and blooming. I guess that's why I like petunias. They bloom a lot. The pot that looks like it doesn't have anything in it actually has rosemary in it, but it hasn't gotten very big yet. It was really big and hanging over the sides and growing everywhere, and then we had the big freeze and then it all froze. The orchids are still blooming. There's Gerber daisy again. Another one. I have two. And the tomato plants are beginning to get some leaves on them. Just beginning, just barely. Then I have a whole bunch of little seedlings there. I planted more seeds. I know, I said I wasn't gonna, but I did. I planted more seeds, more tomatoes, more watermelon, some cantaloupe or something. I don't know. Pumpkin. Plant some pumpkin seeds. Some kale and chard that I'm going to try to transplant into the garden and hope it grows. It's kind of late for that here in Texas, in central Texas. It's what you plant now is okra, because it's going to be hot as hell very soon. And okra and black-eyed peas is about all that's going to last. Boy, those tomatoes had a hard time. I don't know if they'll do anything. It's Daisy. And the bigger one, the red one, is Patty. And in the background here, we have big old snow. And there's Pearl. I'm trying to get them to go to bed, but no, they're not having it. Even though the adult chickens have all gone to bed 10 minutes ago. Here comes the beast stalking them. Time to go to bed, girlies. It's dark out. Come on. Let's go to bed. Well, I know you can't see it, but you can hear the rain. It's coming down in buckets. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. We have flash flood warnings. Supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Already rained a bunch today. It's it's gonna wash away my garden. This will be the third time this year I've lost my garden. First in the big freeze, 5 days below freezing. Then in a hailstorm, and now I replanted it, and it's going again. Unbelievable. Well, flash flood warnings. My garden's on high ground, so I guess it won't float away, but all the little seedlings I planted probably aren't happy right now. I ain't going out there. Look at that. The street is a river. My van might float away. Oh dear. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.